Good morning to all of you. Today is day 8. We shall continue with application of trigonometry. First, let us have a bit of revise. That's what we've learned yesterday. See, let me draw 3 triangles here. Let me draw 3 triangles here. 90. See, we all know that this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Same here, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. Okay, all 3 are same. See, they may give anything here. Maybe a letter, or maybe a string, okay, maybe a building, or maybe a tower, or maybe a tree, like that. Okay. And then this distance will be from the string base, or maybe from the letter base, whatever. They will give anything. But see, what we are interested here is you have to understand the question carefully, and what they are asking and what they have already given, you have to note it. That is very important. On doing that, suppose see, this side is given maybe a length of a string, or maybe a letter, or anything, okay, as 5 meter. And if they're asked to find us this, okay, this side, this the base of the string, and maybe a tower or tree, okay, the base of a tree. In this case, we have to look at the triangle very carefully. This side is given, this side is given, and we all know this is hypotenuse and this is base. So base by hypotenuse is, in this case, we're going to choose cos. Okay, if the angle is given as theta, cos theta. Okay, let me go this side. If this side is given 5 meter, and if they are asking this, right, the height of the building, or the height of the tower, or maybe anything they will be given, and then if they're asking us to find the base, in this case we will be choosing tan theta. Perpendicular by base is tan theta. Okay, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. The unknown one, the given one here, the unknown one is this. Right, this is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. That's what we have to choose. This is very important. If we choose this one, okay, from the questions, we are not going to get any mistakes, and we're going to get answered very easily. Don't fear. Okay, this is very simple. And then see, let me bring one more. Let us try to bring say. Suppose this one is given 5 meter. You are asked to find this. Okay, this one is question now. See. Here, this side is what? Perpendicular, hypotenuse. Okay, in this case, you are going to choose sin theta equal to, see this one, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Depending on the question, we have to choose this. This is very simple. Okay, so see, as we have already discussed yesterday, okay, instead of sine, I can choose here cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. No, perpendicular. Same thing. But I don't use this. Okay. It's up to you. If you want to use this one also, we're going to get the same answer. Same here, I can choose here cos theta equal to base by perpendicular. Alright. If you want to use this one, you can use. But I prefer this one, okay, using. Here also I can choose sec theta equal to hypotenuse by base. Got it? I prefer this one. So this is the concept. Basing on this, we are going to do some sums given in exercise 9.1. Question number B. There are 16 questions. All are very simple. You try to fit 5 marks from this, okay, in your examination paper. Let us do some question. Let me check the video. It's going on. Okay, let us try to understand question number 1. It's very simple. Question number 1 is this, okay. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Okay, find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. They have given the figure in the question also. It's like this, very simple. Right. So the question is this. This is question number B, number 1. Okay. So the figure is this. Okay, let me draw. Not looking at the figure. Let us draw. Okay. Circus student is climbing a 20-meter rope. So there is a rope here, right? And then a circus artist is climbing up this, which is tied to the top of a pool. Okay. It may be a bamboo or it may be a pipe, whatever. It's tightly stretched, and from this top to the bottom of the ground, it has been given like that. And then they are asking us to find the height of the pool, and they have given that this length of the rope is 20 meter. Okay, 20 meter, isn't it? And they are asking to find this, the height of the pool. Okay, so let us complete a triangle like this. So this will be 90 degrees. Right, you name anything here. A, B, C. If you write A, B, C also okay. It's up to you. If you want to choose X, Y, Z also you can. And see, don't think that my way of drawing the triangle is always I'm keeping like this. You can draw the triangle like this in this side also, and you are going to get the same answer. There's no restriction there. Okay, you can draw the triangle this side also, this side also. You don't have to memorize ABC. You can use X, Y, Z also. You can use P, Q, R also. It's up to you. And you can write A here, you can write B here, or you can write C here. It's up to you. Okay. Don't memorize that if this side is A, this side is B, this side is C like that. It's up to you. You choose any letter, but you have to mention it very carefully. Okay. Okay. And C, they have given the angle, isn't it? Find the height of the pool. If the angle made by the rope with the ground, okay, with the ground level is 30 degrees. So very simple. 20 given, asking this perpendicular hypotenuse. It will be sine theta. Very simple, isn't it? Yes or no? Oh, being a mathematicians, we don't have to climb up this. You are looking from here. You know this length is 20 meters because it has been tied down from there. Okay, maybe just see. This is a situation I want you to understand it very carefully. One of your friend is up here, and he cannot climb down this building. Okay. In real life situation, we may face like this. Some of your friends up there, they cannot climb down this one, and they don't know what. They want to know the length of this building, suppose. Okay. And you are here, and for you also, you cannot come near the base of the building. So that if you cannot come to the base of the building, your friends and you may never know the height of the triangle, isn't it? You are not allowed to go here. They are not allowed to go down to the building. In this case, they'll throw a rope. It is 20 meters, they'll say. So you tie this, use the clinometer to find the angle. So without going near the building, you can measure the height of the building very easily. This is in what we are going to apply in real life situation. Right, that's very simple. See. I think you will find this. Look at this. The case is like this, okay? String is given here. Yes or no? The length of the pole is this. Length of the pole. This is 20 meters. They have given this as 30 degrees. Got it? So this side is given as 20. We call hypotenuse. And the length of the pole, this one perpendicular. So if you apply perpendicular by hypotenuse, it will be sine 30 degrees. And the answer is very simple, okay? So it's like this. So this is a descriptive type question. That's why we have to write something. Okay. So see, if we go to a party and if we meet some new friends without introducing, we are no one, isn't it? We are no one. Just like that, by doing maths, if we don't introduce it properly, the examiner, when they take your answer script, they will not know what you are doing. That's why, see, we write a right angle triangle. That's why the way of writing is very simple. Okay, you may be much better than in writing English language, but mathematically, well, mathematicians, we write very simple English. but we have to name everything. The way of writing is like this. You always write like this, okay? See, A, B, let, okay, let A, B, C. B is in the center, that's why. Maintain this, okay? Right angle. Let A, B, C be a right angle triangle at B, okay? And let, always let, okay? Let AC, or you right? Let the LENGTH length of the rope, isn't it? Rope AC equal to 20 meters. See, those who will be checking your answer script will be very happy looking like this. Oh, ABC is writing AP, and you will be seeing like this, okay? And you have already mentioned now AC is 30. Oh, this is the length of rope. Should be like this. And you're asking this, isn't it? Yeah, right. And let again. So many legs, isn't it? Let the length or height. What is the question? From the question, okay, find the height of the pool. Yes. Let the HEIGH, the height of the pool. Right. B, A, B. See, this is the introduction of this triangle. What we have met. Right. Understood. Right. Systematically, we have introduced this triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle at B. AC is the length of the rope, 20 meter, and then height of the pool. Right. And then angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Got it? So this is how we write. Very simple. Right. I'm wrapping off this. Got it? After writing this, again, one more thing, that this is a step, okay? Okay, let me wrap it carefully. Next step. In right angle triangle, okay, ABC. Now, we have to choose this. Perpendicular hypotenuse of sine 30 degree we're going to choose, isn't it? Very simple, see? Sine 30. This is asking, this is now. We don't have to use this side. This side consists of what? Sine. So this is sine 30 equal to perpendicular here is AP, which is the height of the pool, and this one is the length of the rope is AC. Very simple. Sine 30 from the table is 1/2. Right. I told you to memorize this. AP here is, we are going to find that, and then AC here is 20. Yes or no? So you cross multiply it to AP, just like class 3/4 standard does do. Okay. 2 into AB is 2P, and 20 multiplied 1 is 20. This implies AB equal to 20/2. You cut it out, then this implies AB is equal to 10 meter. So this one will obtain 10 meters, see? So you write, therefore, the HEIGH, the height of the pool, is equal to how much? 10 meter. You're going to get only 2 marks in the examination for this question, but in daily life situation you will be saving a lot of life. Okay, suppose someone is up here, the standards in this building, you want to know the height of the building. You being a mathematician, you can do this and you can save millions of life. This is what mathematician can do. Okay, let us go to the next question. Very interesting. You try to learn this. You learn, try to help out your friends for friends. And you can even help engineer students, those who are doing the field. If you're really good in maths, you can help anyone.